Hi viewers, welcome to our channel RJ's Info. In this video, I am going to show you how to get only unique records and able to paste in active sheet. First, click on data, then click on advanced. We want only unique records. First, select the ray. From header onwards, just select it. Next step, we want to copy to some same location with other cell. So copy. Then criteria range should be contact number, then where to copy, it should be an active sheet. I put it H here. Then only unique records, click OK. So two duplicate records removed. The same way we can able to get remove duplicates also. Just to copy entire thing. Here only one option is available for advanced filter, whereas when we go for remove duplicates, we have multiple options. Let's see one by one. If I click on remove duplicates, you will get multiple options. If I click everything, then it will be unique only. So I just remove quantity, price, sales, company. Then automatically it will give perfect one. 4 duplicates are removed because here only spelling mistake is there. Here also spelling mistake. So that 2 records also removed. Again you want to further remove it, you can do further one. You just select it. Again remove duplicates. You want only contact number wise, you just select contact number wise. It will give perfect one. Like that you can able to trace the duplicate records. If you like this video, please share it, comment it. Please do subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you.